The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts an impressive 3,000 pascal cyclone suction system, which significantly enhances its cleaning efficiency on various surfaces like hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. With smart app and voice control compatibility, this vacuum allows you to manage cleaning tasks effortlessly, even enabling hands-free operation via Alexa or Google Assistant. Its compact design, standing at just 2.99 inches tall, allows it to easily clean under furniture and other hard-to-reach areas, ensuring no dust or pet hair is left behind. Designed with pet owners in mind, it features a no-entanglement system and a large 600 milliliter dust box, efficiently collecting pet hair without the hassle of manual cleaning. The automatic self-charging feature and scheduled cleaning capability mean the vacuum can navigate and clean your home autonomously, returning to its charging station when needed. Equipped with 6 different cleaning modes, the ROPVACNIC vacuum can be tailored to meet specific cleaning needs, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your home.